maybe na me say aduane dey so pe aduane adia baby ultimate aduane di ba o we die mu dey be am can say your input will determine your output. So what you say?
Ochira. Now do you call mu no?
Yes.
And I bet you na dey be sir.
Nti won say aduane die no ka yen kwa ho pa.
That's right.
Nti ni bibia keke na eso di. Spicy foods ni ade say
we are natural.
And then nkofo bi tuka free baby ko didi wo baby na menti ase.
Afa no ati ase.
Afa no mati ase.
Say like good food. Very good food.
Ope efie bian yankasa ni.
Na yes no any.
Spices there.
Sir, we be natural.
Maji fufuo.
Kakrebi. Where body and bunch of fufu. Fantastic.
Aponche.
Guat. Me who be and tea? Where tea?
Way. Tilapia.
Eja tilapia.
Ana ni tea ni susu no.
Esi anu we are unya nyansa. As open it in pa. Latet. Fantastic. We are French with school. Je comprends le manger, on choisit le mieux que la tête, si celui est foufuli.
Oh, je comprends français
MP. Je ne sais que pas moi le poulet poisson. Oh, poisson. Ça c'est poisson. Ah.
Oui, mais ça côté à ben coin.
Na wa goushi. Ama o choix c'est o choix ça mieux que. Eno ani moja no. Be ma de odidi asa no nkwan na o choix c'est nti o hwa me a. Mo amoyire no mo serve mo amoti fufuo na mo di wi a na ma hwe nkwan na gu no mo sai niema. Udi fufuo wi a esa wo no mo nkwan na etata wo ewura uzigizagam na akọ samperenim akọ wo samperenim a afa ukodam na wo topa uye juice na say ben pew. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. 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 Ne bosso, aha ne bosso. Wadding, ne bosso. What up? Mumbeti, mwezi ya die pia na die ye bepi. Ye ban kwampa hria yenti ye mude de no. Mwa me nyamponza na dog in the one piece no. Mfi said Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom.
Right, abusia for you go so our ball and plate. You see am who catch form you no bi wa. O mu twatro man no we the far left, no the far right, no me dey there. And when that dem that go. Who you doing this?
Sorry.
What's it?
Sorry.
Sorry. That's right. And I was where? What doing? Adamu ya for. And you are kasa. Now, oh, that's why are the good news. Most sense so one anti fantastic. Now, what type did you bowl and plate?
Yeah, Nancy a bed more until Hayani. Hayani.
What here, Kasa?
You walk
to move Bano and Obicham Hana, someone I would discover.
Okay, I discover near bed more those time, but near Nedman. So recently, a band who said no, we because of the said
Mobana Mobile.
I'm party about a betuni party to do hand.
That's right.
Mr. Cat is like, he was my favorite. Serious.
Mr. Brown. I am a
manager.
Good. Now, I'm quite no to say. And I'm not so yet. And I'm going to phone the light soup. And I'm punching cracker. Now, salmon come home. Now, what did you have on the moon?
Yeah,
so I didn't think a man quite yet.
Nipanka says, oh, no, can circulate to blood and fine.
And I by no normally, you know. Printing pepper, no money. Second by a practice, and no money a man near what I say. Now, quite so no mamma bear my bear, my show and share my ujinaso, my own spermatozoa. Would you say who they are in any idea? Yeah. Right. Now. Now, some more say crown. Have a freak.
Be my dear.
O took a crack. Now, dear Didi, we are heavy. Now, we so nice. I'm a one. Daro natural mineral water. That's right. That's right. Unia, any way there. French ni ka say bon appetit a na waje so merci. Enti anya bon appetit.
Merci.
Anya mon kwaso ni di. Why? Have you put your job mo mema no ma kan say ball and plate there. Aha no mu di enti me show. E ba ne say wo sane nsawam so we say akwabura na britu nsawam a fa udu wa gina na didi udidi wi so anwumre no grill koso e no ne ande ade a ye fam ba ko ne ade aba na fe me so ma be transe na ma kokore ama ye di wari ase e yanko
aha ne boss ye fa wa ponte krakra emu de papa inkrani bidi ya o singo mi papa agranti ya na sadowa
data my filisa na wachi autia woti ade ni shem ni pa egwa we are too much you are eating in italics what you say as a who did gentility okay what hene wo na udin the say idin the ajuma na nkonya din the say me jase ewo he kwa north uka kwa north he na wo kire ofaka wani kire nkokwa a farm place uduru nkokwa na wafa do nkokrom ka farm inter farm place asem na okay minimum asam me no akonya da begro ye dia e na akohia menche e kwa ya so ya ne mo boss ye sase e kwa akosi a farm place a chimbegro ye dia na me so me ade share me da mu die na me share de na so wa share unua what as ye na dia na wudi to safe ma come pa ni efe pa koyi pa o na otiti share mu na uni abotre ma aduani o ya hwe no anyo so na test net say ye me peni bia na o peni bia Mami Musa, o first time how did you have any out Taiba? The first time. Oh, sir. I didn't did have on Nadia. Why, see? And I said, no, the Oba. It's on and the question about your goose. When I'm 1 year be, would you go to Susana and Cadia and say, Yano? Ghana and I are now quite one way, I say, and man, what you are not done in yet day. Told be a number to Chinamodi, I saw Memano, so no more Jaguars, because animal bar. Mokase akokore mami ni jigu yasu say peche e ma pesra de nam enu ti ase sra de nam we sra de nam na momu so omuji wi aye gifi ho me no ya adwen fantastic mama nkwa madam any assessor Mr. Jiman dia na so ye Mr. Jiman beautiful Mr. Jiman na why na introduce you about bowl and plate
madam fubi won nsawam and to na ya tie na me ba
no de oba na obe kan hwe no net o say e so dem na o ka kire wura say na de obe surprise no mo na musi ana musi enya nwan ya wosi ana wo twatro na wo ka mo ya sam no ya nen fantastic nta na wo ji fufuo ni light soup me hwe na mna ti ko be ya ponchi oyo sai o hu na dan ne bubo no.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy.
Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
In case you want us, Fufuo Wo Krom, to come and promote your chop bar or your eatery for you, all you need to do is to call us on our telephone number 055 83 11146. IBK the Food Marshal. We will be there with the team and promote your place for you. Fufuo Wo Krom, aha, and a bottle. Titi Abusian Forces here, Mr. Nisaka Brown. You can't Nisaka Brown, a seasoned actor. Our GD in Ghana, and Ghana call international, and also international, and local national. Local national is across English and country. And it's been a very good brother way back. I'm a big brother. Now, that's he's the owner on the area and the only bowl. In fact, Madam Sylvia Nikuni, Mr. Saka Brown. Good to see you. It's been ages.
Good to see you.
Chalena, you are doing marvelously well. Bowl and plate.
Yeah.
Accra, all the way. Chale, Ade POKROM. Hey, now what is going on, POKROM? Come and see for yourself. Me buyer.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful thing that you have.
Yes.
And the place is busy. I love it.
Thank you.
Why bowl and plate? What happened? Everybody saying.
Bowl and plate. Oh,
Yeah, but now you was as we were POKROM. It's Moana. Initially, now I say fair Dagoma kitchen because we say my wife here Dagomba. So we wanted to do only Tozafi. So yeah, plan ya. Me one day. Me wa pastor ni am say Obama starting. Oh.
Yam planning ye.
Yam planning ye. I see David.
Imagine they don't have time to waste.
Yeah.
No procrastination.
No.
Almost like soldiers. Yanko.
Iti ya Sunday bi na so ya dan for BC. Oba be fan. Iti o so okwaba. Iti o kona mi so na aku. Ya be di mommy. O so ba bi omo.
Hey. Opa ka ho.
So the second day, that was Sunday. So out of anger, I didn't come. Then I think the weekend I came in, something small. But when I saw the response, I said, no.
I have to put in my all to support my beautiful wife.
Yeah, so I have to put in everything. Then, because we wanted to do tozafi and rice and everything. So, the fufu and everything is the bowl.
That's right.
So the rice and everything.
And the plate. The wache, the jollof and all that.
So that is
fantastic. That's a smart name.
Yeah, so we have
bowl and plate. Charlie.
Yeah.
One guy's also a creative person.
So that is how it started.
Great.
And the response has been great.
Fantastic.
Weekends, people from ABURI going to
Nsawam, Sumo, Chebi, Asamankase, those also using this side to
and all of them. So
now why we are strategical? Because my bloody idea, me banana catch me team in say POKROM dey mean POKROM.
Okay.
So you do me what you say?
Yeah.
Me be shoot two adverts be wa ha. Abrobenim. You know this area pineapple area.
Yeah.
Me be shoot two adverts be wa ha no me abia. To channels I like idea. To cause me do program and say boss so kakra. Everybody on the born and say wow. But I think say you are doing very well.
Yes.
And wife you are very active, very assertive, and very beautiful as well, or smiling. And your team, your entire team, wonderful. Mami Musa.
Okay.
What has been the support? I know some of farms,
yes.
What do you do? Do you supply? Do you feed this choba with your produce from your own
yes.
farm?
So for now, all the plantain, the cassava, the eggs, the chicken, the goat, and the pork.
All comes from. Wow. Wow.
And the farm is named after my wife, Miracle Farms.
Miracle. Oh, she's Miracle as well. Hey.
Yes.
Lisa Cabra. Oh, yeah, Niamo. Ocho, Inyami. Oh, fair.
No, come about Crowley. I'll show you a crowd. So we have the Miracle Farms at Andeso.
Father, and you're grown over your home. You sit in your car in your tema. Now you're comfortable, was that? In which you need a small room now, Shano. Now my landlord and custom to rent so every day. Now as I see a move and could be busy so. This time they'll be here, no me, I go come on. And the weather for me I've experienced here. You know me, I'm an Achim boy, so sometimes whether I cut through to Chebi, what I say, now my woman could see a siakwa. Now my sim kwa being so you chrome. Now I'm that book to me. I'm an Eastern boy proper. It is our route to any day.
Every Saturday.
It just said, "Yana friend, your baby somewhere."
Saturday morning. Saturday morning, you can pass by for your fresh pork.
Wow.
Then in the evening, we do the grilling.
Okay. So we have grills.
Yes.
Grilled pork. Any idea?
Yes.
Okay.
Grilled pork and banku.
Grilled pork and banku.
We have not started the yam by so banku and. They say we're crazy.
Wow.
We're crazy.
Wow. When you're at it, it's more fufu ni jinamu and you may not want your grills, no?
Yeah. So.
Also tilapia so.
Yes. So for the tilapia, we go to Ashama.
Okay.
The water catch. So we go Saturday morning, get them and we want to make it organic.
That's right.
So all the plantain, all the cassava,
everything is organic.
The eggs are fresh from the farm.
Because of this mining thing. So if it's organic, it's better.
Yes.
I say, at least we have to be mindful of what we eat. And you have been assured. Organic, healthier. Please, this is the place. And sometimes drive leave your comfort zone, come and experience other areas, experience other people, and then you know, Chala, you're good. I mean, you love it here. What done here? Come on, now, what the outside of but you maybe 6, 7 corner. What done it is an out here, but you know, I'm coming show. Jauba filia.
So the food name is Bowl and Plate Home Taste.
Bowl and Plate Home Taste. What's on home taste?
Yes. Charlie.
Oh! In your big okay? Bowl and Plate home taste. Charlie, Senior. Listen, I'm proud of you. I'm super proud of you, my big brother. Nisaka Brown has been Nisaka Brown, Kofi Faulkner, Kofori, Master Richard, Papani. You know, these were the guys.
My good friend.
You know, Ogundipe Collins, and then you also have all these guys where there's been a team. What I say, no, we are the big boys. The big brothers are new among them. But they are running things. But see,
that's right.
And it's down to earth.
Yes.
It's very down to earth. And Sanya, when it comes to fufu, this is the plate. It's for him and the wife.
That's right.
And you know, Michelle, you can't get it wrong. No, sir. Who are one actor, senior actor. One to me, watch any senior sir, one for Bibian supporting her. Brabedi Diwaha. No, yes, Kakakran. What I say?
But do you know there are a lot of people who are crap. Didn't put a POKROM.
I know.
Because I say, where is POKROM?
POKROM is there. A super town.
I'm saying, sir, if you do a survey,
I know.
They don't,
a lot. I know. But I'm not.
Yes.
So, me, somebody like me, I travel a lot.
Okay.
Also due to my work, when my work with Vodafone.
Yeah.
When I was a salesperson, I had to travel a lot for market storms and a lot of things. You know, we call it Baby. So, POKROM, if you on to EIB network, you know, you move for festivals near there. So, and I'm young because I'm movie. I like to travel. I like to drive. I enjoy driving. I enjoy, experimenting and seeing new places. Actually, I say, and you know, let's cheers to Daro Natural Mineral Water. Nice. Ask for Daro. Daro Natural Mineral Water. I am super papa. And also Tolua. A banning so almost 350 ml. 600 ml and no more 1 liter. Michelle, yes, I say your programs. So normally I do for say in so economically, it doesn't make sense. Into going for the 350 ml, which is very cute. I don't know who the man or no man now the man and yes sir obe waste the keke. What I say it's only more the brutal. And now that only the me friend Niagara open beer truck or tonwa. They say called a Sanska house. I won't cry here. And I say all your TV in this one. Distributors in Umudiwo numbers no down no free. Cheers to life.
Thank you.
I'm sure for still I go so POKROM bowl and plate. Now bowl and plate there. Some common did on baby fiba. Oh no in the area Ghanaian actor back home. Nisaka Brown and then the wife Sylvia and her running her. It is our table is what none in Satituni and Intin is all about what I'm talking about here. A POKROM bowl and plate. Right here on this table, a handsome and a beautifulness and exquisite. And a heavy. I want to coin. Aha. Where your sister Penimpa, me and my sister, Bagana has in the Tremudie, or one of the numero Wajidimpa. Me who know Heidi and I'm sure say, me Musan say, oh, did you have an answer? And then the first time I'll boss support. Sister Bacho, Sister Irene of Paris, Papa. Bacho Bokodie. Right. Now, me Musao, first time we bowl and plate me and Nancy, Wabada. The first time. Nampacho, Banisen now be Pimwa. Uchamuka Kana say, we be no see Uncle Nems are set to her. Na Beheni woman.
So we say, Saka Brown, they are mini.
That's right.
Industry, my friend Oko, and a friend Yakuli.
Oko Kakuli. That's right.
I only hear a BBC. Nine net, I was saying, it's me for her. Now,
what the man you number 30? You be now. Now, your friend will test and see. I'm going to echo. Ampacho buy ye aduane so dey so nim no apa na o test ye na e te say
I say access say crowd have me kasa because
me family say who feel so
actually I am enjoying the food.
That's right. That's right.
Say like
a good food. Very good food.
Ope efie bian kasa no.
Na yes no any.
Oh spices there.
We be natural. Na ya mama no mu le tete na. That's right. And your French you can say any bon appetit na say merci na no. And em patro trust mama. Fati o calculate ni gokora num madam Iron Policy oko kakole ni saka brand ono a ni nua be mente bibi say assettle na asset na nkofo ka hwe so no ade nani ne tekrema ba ohwemu wi a no obo num no ha say e che say obo akire hwe ye no o se ekoyi wati ase o se fork na so na otia no na we anya fork na me senior brother also brother using using Uncle Kofi Fakna. Kofi, I say, you shall have papa na eshe
station out
what I say na say na what show ti a wo hwe nkwan die me hu what you am say bra uni abo tell my Jesus Christ crowd
mistake I don't know for what
okay na ekosay
oh brother what I hear no is my word now no jo oyala
o sheye na Kofi ene no unso no supporter na say what the way second time
my friend from Tumamba I'm the one who so long what
I feel the one who say nwa kra
nti no yam so wasa mam go hwa koi
nti uwo mu fi ni say
if a brief boy short
no one send a very short nti the bring never na ofin so
every bum send ya
na say no ani
bu chompo bu jom ko fara we say
ya etu hwa je say mu ye
oye
na say ekoye
ma bo be fo
na say
na me do so ade ma
bra Kofi wate
ni ma musical million
eza
anya gender na ma ba je me test ni nyina yo kakra
wala hwa
ti ko to za fi first na me me den kon ba se na chi ma ko
ebe di fufu
ma me yan ko
na say bada eye na abo ne twi bia ne wa say
e ko na we ran ready ba pa me
na amen afjafo we are senior citizens me nua no mpanyifo enti anko ha na me numia chale pin kasaja ono aka ye say papa ni onti ye hiesia that's a deal family what you say some come on what you say no cry say that the Lumba sister's birthday na me jam on the microphone your 959 ha wo so mo ya magical mumo ma content do that mo the party tata na ni unia na also aja punch me favorite no on the show na ma wana and na so de otimi fa ko na show and ma observe nti dia na waji
fufuo le
me hu say fufuo na accompaniment ben na punch na say na wo ye won sa na punch now na te say unimu come on fufuo no di fufuo apen say memra na say open and open ho ne ho
me pe ho ne ho
open ho ne ho
exactly
ene ho exactly ho ne ho it's where the honey ye a honey one see a friend horn to una ho ka tay horn to ho ka se horn to a honey horn to brabo di ankasa me no so bia no so woti so bia ni tete body chon
from TV studio be from Libya Boga
that's right
ba me di ankasa Joseph Ofe
na wo say at the to Joseph Uncle Joseph Ofe no fair dia say na bia na so fi
akra
hey that's a monda chata say na say wo dey had anya oda dem ha anya from ha your base that's how dia wo taiba we are second third time now
we so your first time
we first time
wa fresh
until say dia na mu nyina mu ka say mu beba
because you be ye nyina o e si na me dey o me si na mpanyfo o ha nyina me dey yesu
sanity koladi hu sa o hura ne mpanyfo na e say Kofi say masom na edu ba bi no dog me on fa me nya hwe on fa me nya hwe o to be continue right menua etikache amanfo ahwe no mbeso mu di fufu no mo sane a no mu twoma consum na so mo won kran ne tema no ne ade o muntu ya say travel and see and experience different areas what tell them something can be sure I only had obra pani dia
one who say maybe na me say aduane de so pa aduane adia baby ultimate aduane di ba o we die mu de be am can say your input will determine your output. So what you say?
Ochira. Now do you call mu no?
Yes.
And I bet you na de be sa.
Nti won say aduane die no ka yen kwa ho pa.
That's right.
Nti ni bibia keke na eso di. Spicy food ni ade say
we are natural.
And then nkofo bi tuka free baby ko didi wo baby na menti ase
I feel no atiase na say so your member so in that natural mineral water who feel is so we na wa kan ho say it's only a this is IBK the food marshal. This is yours truly the food marshal. This is my scepter. I catch you say me na me chow baby a empu so me catch you say I heard that na head enye da enye kwapini say eye that I say enye wan a waka na wosia woyo no na woya wosia no wodi atro ne de forget why enti what I say yeguso a bowl and plate POKROM in Sawamu Road and ABURI Road. Baby, I'll be a Nujah to the Bia Shedder to car. My linear Gianni, na fan colony do it in a form of transit. Na Jigum to say Pecha. A man also the Ukumba na odo boyfriend, but Katchan say Jigum is to say Pecha. Or Casa per number and so horror na mini. What is here? I was after I said Tanaka and until no men so me quack didi, make a fat taste. As I'm going for Manoba, because one have a free two thought. I'm a smart media. Get try one bar, the match media.
Aha ne bosso, ma wa bonte krakra, emu de papa, in cranny bidia or sing on me papa, a granty and a sadoa, who pins munam. Ye wo me kwanga bunu kati kuntu na twie ni yakokon ye burade ye fufu ye bedi ba ye de fufu ye bedi mengen fufu ye bedi ye bantin fufu ye bedi amina potoyo ye bedi
Afshafu afena o fan so ma settle down men so ba be fat taste aha your bowl and plate aha say me ya akode ngo on this impending fight chale we na so yi juwas ni na go there. There's only one water, Darrow natural mineral water. A sip or two of water, ebwa for easy digestion. So make it a point. Said 10 be already the be and smoke it to a be now abwa for digestion. What I say? Darrow natural mineral water. It's only more the brutal. Well, yeah, say we and of course. Me manunyu etiro. Mere ebedidia me ntwen tie no me yan lawyer for my chest ti me buni say tissue na me di agum say peche calamity no ani adwuma na si onya ni say ana say we tissue na ani na odi ahya manunyu nsami ate ya na obeye no odi aba see your mommy. Kwasia, or the Kwasia number. Kwasia. Thank you very much. Thank you advance. By some follower, and some back up. Help African bitters. A shot or two. Okay. I can see. Cheers to life. I feel be starting race, you know. Me penny say me nyana Sarah na ma Jimmy kwasi ane first. Oh, salmon, fresh salmon. A pontine na no se ba mo me pepper. Akoko no say fresh. Akoko fresh. I say got a fresh and how do do na no nyu edu ana me ho ya mohi untimi nya me ena no so mentimi nya ho elephant you elephant me fa ho na no so me fa me ho obi ansoma ho no be no die a bowl and plate. Koye. Yeah, yeah, better. Yeah. Abano, the show na bana be di me ho. Yeah. Yeah. Abano fufu dia ya. Bowl and plate. Oduwa bomidin wo so for one. Omu catch am say IBK the food marshal. Me am cross accept na didi no. Where my dear attre. Yeah. This is my scepter. Nana wagushi nkwan kakra. Nipa de odi fufu a oya anu nkwan ana ma oya bema. Me gushi. I'm gushing. I'm gushing soup. Yeah. If I try ball and plate, I was for the same. Me shada nya ibiano. Me pese me nya time. Na me timi trans ye, na me jeje dem. Na me di ma feel. Me hoya wa Hebruta. That's all I am. We have grabbing view. Me na me di. Ona wo hwe. Ona amle. Mba. Mama mi aponchi na nso dem pepa. Entino. Nsiamu. Sana dia ne keka kono. Let me pause here. I'll come your way same time next week. From a different location. Yemom, Fufuo Wo Krom a na odi ageme. Fufuo de bebre wo Krom o. Nemom ba bia boss no. Hona metro. This week, your bowl and plate. Need Sakabran in a area. POKROM, a Britain Saman Road, and I'm coming to a road. Who do what dinner? Depending on where you are coming from. A bottle. See you later. Captain.
He said, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso. Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso. Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso.
Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Darrow Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.